Recently we did a local job and we had the opportunity to be on site and kind of get our hands on this new product that we've released. On this project it was Standoff Pins. The balcony was not completely plumb and it wasn't square either. So the adjustability in the standoff pins helped immensely in being able to make sure that that glass was completely level across that longer run. We had the luxury of building the customer's entire staircase. We came back and completed shop drawings through the engineering stages and sent all of those out to a partner of ours to produce all of the 9/16 laminated glass for this project. So the customer came to Viewrail with a vision and a concept of what they wanted their project to look like. And with sales working with engineering, we were able to take their dream, take their concept of what they believe this project should look like and turn it in reality.